Right. See everyone, yesterday we have to discuss the cube root of unity. The cube root of unity values is a 1 omega omega square. 1 is the cube root of unity value. Omega value is the minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square value is the minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Properties also we write omega cube is equal to omega into omega square value is the 1. So 1 plus omega square value is equal to 0. Omega 1 by omega square is equal to omega. 1 by omega square is equal to 1 by omega. These are the points yesterday we have to discuss. And the cube root of unity we have to be converted into the polar form also we should write. That point is completed. That is the video number 5. So that is the complex number today. Fourth root of unity, and then we can do the I will give some problems. Next we go through the nth root of unity. Right. Fourth root of unity means the circle is divided as a 4 equal parts. The circle is dividing 360 degrees. 360 degrees divided with 4, it will become as a 90 degrees. Okay, na? So this is the 90 degrees. So this is the 0, is the angle is the 1. So this is the I, and this is the minus 1, and this is the plus minus I. This is the minus I. So one have the 0 degrees, I have the 90 degrees, minus 1 have the 90 degrees, minus 1 to minus have the 90 degrees, minus I to 1 have the 90 degrees. 4 equal parts it will be divided. So therefore, so cube root of fourth root of unity roots are, so what is the roots is the minus 1 plus 1 or minus I plus I are the roots of the fourth root of unity. Okay, na? Fourth root of unity, same properties we can apply. So multiplication, it will become as a what value we can check, and the addition what value we can check. And then I will write the four, and I will write. So if you want to prove me, so see the x is equal to fourth root of 1. So therefore, fourth power take on both sides, x power of 4 is equal to 1. X power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 1. X square is equal to plus 1. X square is equal to minus 1 means I square. X is equal to plus or minus 1. Here x is equal to plus or minus I. Therefore, the four roots of the fourth root of unity is minus 1, plus 1, minus I, plus I. Okay, na? What is polar form seen? Polar form. One is on the positive side of x-axis, 0 degrees starting, meaning angle is 0 degrees. Therefore, one should be write down polar form is cos 0 degrees plus I sine 0 degrees. Okay, na? I is on the y-axis of the positive side and making the 90 degrees. Therefore, I is equal to cos of 90 degrees plus I sine of 90 degrees. Minus 1 is the x-axis negative side, pi is the angle. Therefore, minus 1 is equal to cos pi plus I sine pi plus I sine pi. Minus I is the y-axis negative side. Therefore, 3 pi by 2 cos of 270 plus I sine of 270 degrees. Okay, na? These are the polar forms. Okay, na? These are the polar form. one time we can observe any point on the positive side of x-axis, angle is 0 degrees. 2 is there, angle is 0 degree. It is on the positive side of x-axis. Its value is, the angle is 0 degree. Any point on the y-axis, then its angle is 90 degrees. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So any value on the x-axis of negative side, then it is a 180 degrees. So any value on the negative side of y-axis, then angle is 270 degrees. Okay, you should be remembered. Right. Eighth root of unity means, this is understanding, it will be dividing as a 8 parts. The circle is dividing as a 8 part. Each one will become as a 45 degrees. Each one will become as a 45 degrees. 8 values we can get. 8 values we can get. Okay. Not necessary. We can write direct nth root of unity. Okay. Clear now, everyone? Right. I go through these some problems. After that, I will do the nth root of unity. Okay. And here is properties of fourth root of unity. Properties of fourth root of unity. So addition 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus I plus I. So all values by adding its value is 0. Second property is minus 1 into 1 minus I into I. What is the value in I square? Therefore, minus 1 is the value. I square minus 1 is the value. Okay, na? So these are the properties of this one. You should be remember these properties. Okay, na? So next I go to the question number 1. Question number 1. I am going through the question number 1. Everyone observe. The value of a plus b omega plus c omega square by c plus a omega plus b omega square less a plus b omega plus c omega square by b plus c omega plus c a omega square. A omega square. This is the given problem. For this problem, what is the constant we can observe? Here downside constant we can observe. The downside constant is the c, but here c is the omega square. That's why you should multiply numerator and denominator by omega square. We should multiply numerator. Here constant observe. Here constant is a c. Here constant is a b. Okay, na? Here constant is a b. Therefore, c here observe c is multiplied by omega square. Therefore, numerator and denominator multiply with omega square. So here is omega square into a plus b omega plus c omega square. Denominator direct multiply c omega square plus a omega square into omega cube plus b omega power 4 less here constant is a b is with omega, multiply with omega, a plus b omega plus c omega square by denominator direct multiply b omega plus c omega square plus a omega cube. A omega cube. Here now omega square into a plus b omega plus c omega square by denominator is a omega cube value is the 1 a plus omega power 4 is the omega cube into omega cube into omega plus c omega square. These two are cancelled. Omega a plus b